together. But in the village, when you see students, generally in the bazaar contains less than 50 shops, or in number I am telling, the bazaar is nothing but the market. So the market will have many shops, smaller shops, which will be carried out by the local village people. So the people in the bazaars, what can they generally sold? Things like sweets, fresh vegetables which they have grown in their fields, and the snacks, groceries. Grocery is nothing but a store which sells all the household needs or the food and the household items. Next, clothes, medicines, etc. There will also be a dairy products, milk, curd, ghee, cheese, everything. That is dairy products. So, dear students, what Rashmi was telling that when she went in the wake up in the morning and when she started to have walk in the street in the village, she could see a bazaar which contains many shops having the sweets shops, fruit shops, vegetable shops and the dairy product shops which she had seen in the village. Then as she moved on, she saw a blacksmith shop. Blacksmith means what? Who create a person who creates objects uh, like iron or steel by using the raw material, using certain tools like hammer and bend it and cut it and they make a shape with the help of the fire. That she could see in the village. And even the pot makings. Potter she saw. Potter is a person who makes the different kinds of pots with the hand making pots with the different designs with the help of a clay or a mud in the village. And the things which she saw making the things utensils was marvelous to see how they transformed the iron and the clay into beautiful utensils. Or the utensils is nothing but what the things which will be used in the kitchen, the plate, the spoons, and what are all the kitchen items we keep, that will be made with the help of what? Clay by the potter. So first she saw the market consists of shops. Next she saw the blacksmith and the pot making. Next in the evening, when she went in the evening along with the grandma in a bullock cart ride. In urban way with in an auto, or we will have an own vehicle of two wheeler or the four wheeler, or we will go in the bus. But in the villages, many of them will have the ox which will be used for plowing the land. So she could go the bullock cart and to see, and she saw the nearby, she visited to the nearby temple. So on the way when she coming back, she could buy the fresh fruits and vegetables, and she told that most of the fruits and vegetables were taken from the orchard in the village itself. Orchard is nothing but it's a fruits farm where generally one kind of fruit will be grown, that is orchard. In villages they will have a 1 acre or half acre, they will grow one type of crop in order to in order to sell it in the market. By this they earn what they will earn the money. So like this, when she started telling her experience with the teacher, the teacher asked her, "Oh, so did you also try fish? So have you heard they have a special recipe for the making fish in the village?" So Rashmi replied, "Yes. One day when I went with my grandma, she took me along with the fish market. Even I went to the visited to the fish market to buy the fish. There were the fishermen who used to sell the fishes, and they used to sell to the traders or the who sell their fish to them. So the grandpa told me that the Rashmi's grandpa said to her that these were the local traders who was going to buy the fishes from the local fishermen, and they sell it to the markets through the help of the trucks and the lorries to the towns or the cities. Then they will be sold them into the different markets, different cities. So that evening, the grandma cooked the tasty fish and we all enjoyed it together. So when the teacher asked, "Did you have uh, see about the fish market. Then she said, yes, I went with my grandma and the grandpa to the fish market, and I saw the fisherman selling the fishes to the traders. Then the traders used to sell the same fishes to the markets with the trucks or the lorries, and they used to earn the money. Then, by hearing this, the teacher what said to Rashmi, I think you had a good lovely time in the village, Rashmi. So, in return, in reply to this, Rashmi said, yes, ma'am, except once. What was there? When I got cold, I was not well. I was taken to the hospital, local hospital in the village, but the doctor and the nurse in the hospital was treated me well with patiently, and they gave proper medicines to me, and, and the people who are living in the village was helpful, caring towards me, she said. So so in this chapter, dear students, they have given a child called Rashmi who went to spend her time in the village, and what was the experience she had, what she was seen was explained, was shared by her with her teacher. So when she went with the grandma and the grandpa, she used to stay in the village and she could experience the village life. Generally, when she used to walk in the morning, she could see the many shops which are opened by the local people in the village, like how the city people will have. And she saw the various kinds of markets, like groceries markets, utensils markets, blacksmith shop, and pottery shop, fruit stalls, vegetable stalls, then dairy products stalls, all those things. And even she had a good experience of the hospitality also in the village. So this story, what it represents, it represents the lifestyle on the village life environment of which the Rashmi had seen when she visited the village, that is Telur in Tamil Nadu. So in today's class, what we learned is to a Rashmi called child, what she had experienced in the village, she could share with her teacher, that we saw. So in next class, we'll be seeing the types of farmers, that is large farmers, small farmers, and the landless farmers will be seen in the next class. Thank you.